Alma of the Airwaves. Lucky of the orange couch. It is 25th of January. It's a Monday. Okay, today I am really gonna make you laugh about my production, Kindergarten Sober Art. Okay. And voila. What do you see? You see girl with a pearl earring. I'm starting my series.
It's 1:30.
Okay, have you heard that? Now my computer tells half an hour on the half an hour. Okay, 1:30. So this is most expensive oil paint. Okay. I'm starting my series of absolute masterpieces and shedevers. Okay, Johannes Vermeer, right? Dutch, 1665. He produced that. They consider this the most beautiful painting ever done by a Dutch painter. Okay, but that's not all. Because on the conveyor is Mona Lisa. Started her today. Okay, honestly, this is the new series. Yep, no comment. But I mean, really. Okay, this painting is famous. Okay, this artist is famous with how he uses light. He's incredible in that respect. So don't expect this, but expect something to happen in this series. The video is beautiful, long, because it was a beautiful morning and it was above zero, so my battery didn't die. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your life. Make it beautiful, and we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday.